This Got2b Glued. I washed out my brushes after I well, in the midst of me rinsing my hair, I also rinsed out my brushes. So I'm going to use these same brushes to help push this glue back and make my hair hold. This is what it had it looking like. Kind of crusty last time. That, and I get really bad dandruff, so that's another reason why I have to do mine once a week, like the actual washing thing. Some people can just, you know, do glue touch-ups, or Got2b the gel touch-ups around their edges and just relay their lace that way. But I have such bad dandruff that it would just look crusty and nasty, and it's not gonna lay to its full potential, so I have to go that extra mile. Really focusing on these edges right here, like right where I know the lace is going to be. Okay. Probably not super dry at all. Another thing is, the first time I did this, I had a lot of help from my friend Jabria. Okay, we're good to go. As long as this part up here is, you know, because this back here ain't gonna do right. I had a lot of help from my friend Jabria. Y'all make sure y'all follow her. She is natural as well. And I'm trying to get her to do more natural hair videos, so make sure y'all go check her out. Now I want to get started on the laying part. I'm gonna pull it forward just so we can see what we're working with. See where my edges are going to be out right here. See how well that is blending now? Like I said, this already came pre-plucked, so I just had to cut it according to my head shape. And I didn't want no lace all the way down here, just because, you know, my hairline is all the way down there. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I was saying, I do have the white one, but I'm scared that it's not gonna dry clear, so I just been using this one. And a lot of people use the back of their comb, but I just use my finger because I use my comb to press it down, and I don't want all that to be getting stuck together. So, just gonna start right here. Applying a little at a time. I can basically remember like where mine goes, because like I said, it doesn't go above my edges. It's more like right here. But the only problem with that is it's so hard to get lace to lay on top of your hair. So there's a downfall to having a low hairline. On the plus side, I guess I ain't got to worry about my child having, you know, their hairline all the way back there, as long as they take up for me. And then, like, if I accidentally put glue too far down, I can just go back and clean it up with alcohol and a Q-tip. So this is layer number 1. A little tacky. I'm not going to do the spray just because I think that's another reason why it's turning white. So I'm just going to have to make sure that this is tacky and good, because this is the side that my part's going to be on, so I do not need to wipe that off. Get my comb ready. So this is what I was talking about, like getting stuff on the end of your comb and then get it in your hair. Melt the lace, baby. Do a lot better on this side. My favorite part though is the front. We ain't going nowhere. We ain't gonna pull on this side yet. We ain't going nowhere. This is a sew-in, you guys. And like I said, my friend Jabria helped me out a lot. It makes it look a lot more natural whenever I get ready to go and lay them, which I'm not going to lay them too much because I like for them to look natural the first days. I really don't lay them until like the second and third day when I feel like they need to be laid. You know, that glue that I got in there, I'm going to scrape it up. So I'm going to go change shirts. I'm going to tie this down and go change shirts, and then I'll be back to show y'all how I finish off and how I get this little extra residue from around here. But so far this is what it looks like. I'm going to link everything about the hair down below. So this is the hair right now. But like I said, I haven't combed it in about 2 days. I just had a hat on because I've been lazy about laying my frontal. So I'm going to do it as well, and then I'll do all that when I get back. Don't look so natural from back here. I just look like I got a bunch of shiny spots. We gonna fix that though. So let me pull this back. Show y'all what we're working with. It's definitely laid itself down and melted nicely. This little fly lace. It's a little bit, it cleared itself up just a little bit. I just dried some. I'm just going to take a Q-tip. One thing about this is you cannot do this while the glue is still wet because it'll just take the little fuzzies from the Q-tip and have it everywhere. So since it's dry, I can go through and do this. This is just wiping to get rid of the excess glue. Ooh, y'all, I'm out of breath. See what I mean? It must still been wet right there. Oh, this isn't wet at all. So make sure your Q-tip is saturated. And be careful, you don't want to do it a little too much and then it starts to pull up your lace. Do it just enough to get rid of the extra glue. Which honestly, I don't do it too much because I feel like it's gonna blend in after a couple of days anyway. And I don't want to start pulling up the lace. So I just did that just a tad. it. And I'll insert some pictures later on what it looks like. But so far, this is what we're looking like. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I'll insert some pictures on what it ended up looking like. If you like this little mini tutorial, wait, let me go ahead and dab with my makeup missing. If you like this little mini tutorial, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see any more. I'm going to leave all the hair details. I'm going to leave all the hair details in the description box as well. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I get this hair back to its natural state and what it looks like. Like I said, this is some really good hair.